Lipstick on my collar, spent all my money but $1. Coming home with a mouth full of lies. She'll be sitting there waiting, anticipating all the stories that she's heard so many times. She's my lady of the night, the one who's held me tight. She understands this roaming in my mind. She's my darling,